learn how to hook your audience so they immediately want more information about working with you or becoming your customer. You want to stop the scroll, have them leave what they're doing and go and get their credit card. In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how to do that, and this may change your business forever. Hi, my name is Anna and I help network marketers grow their business online using attraction marketing so they don't have to chase or beg anyone to join them and instead create a lifestyle that they love. Consider subscribing to this channel because on here I share a new episode helping you with your business every single week. And I also have a digital recruiting bootcamp to help you implement and learn all these strategies so you can crush it with your business online. And in the description of this video is where you can find the link to sign up. So what is the hook? It's stopping the scroll. It's the attention grabbing element. And the hook is the most important part of your content, no matter if you're doing videos or if you're making posts. And based on the hook, your prospect will want to read more, learn more, and continue reading. So where do you place hook in your content? When it comes to stories, TikToks, Reels, you will put it in the first line in the text overlay and also in the captions. In your lives and videos, it can be in a thumbnail or as a title. In written posts, it can be just a colorful background, like on Facebook, or you can have it as the first line in your text or as a text overlay inside the image or video. Writing hooks is a millionaire skill set, and it's also called copywriting. It's part of the copywriting. What best copywriters have in common is writing great hooks. Without copywriting, marketing does not exist. It takes time to learn, but once you learn it, it will last you a lifetime. That little 2-page website with 7 sentences, 1 5-minute video created 10 million in sales after spending 2 million in advertising in the last year and a half. How would it be if you made $5 for every dollar you invest? How much money would you spend? We live in times when AI is a big thing and it can help you with the creating content, but if we don't know copywriting first, if we are not good creators ourselves, it's not going to do much good. It's a great tool once you already have the skill. So what are the most effective hooks? You got to know your target market and their problems and solutions for their problems. There are different types of hooks and I'm going to share them with you here. There are interest hooks. They're solving problems, avoiding fears, helping them achieve their desires and results. Question hooks, common problems that your prospects will ask. Story hooks, tell them a story. Share a solution to their problem through telling a story. Agreement hooks, agree with something that is strongly believed in your marketplace. And there's challenge hooks, challenge a common belief in your industry. And there are conversion hooks, and they're designed to create sales, they have calls to action, and they share big results. Here are a few examples of good hook. Using this method, I haven't this painful activity in this amount of time. Another one, stop making these mistakes if you want desired outcome. And want to know the secret to desired result? Remember, great hooks increase sales conversions. Practice them in every content, in every video that you record now. And test and see which ones convert the best. And if you'd like to learn more on how hooks and attraction marketing works, then definitely sign up for my free digital recruiting bootcamp. In the description of this video, you will see a link where you can just click and sign up. And my question, come up with a hook that works best for your target market and post it here in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing to see more videos from me on these topics helping you with your network marketing business, and I will see you on the next video.